Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Upper Deck Black Diamond box break number 3. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number on the box is a little bit hard to see, so I'm going to cut the plastic off first. There we go. It's NE 194 945 699. That's NE 194 945 699. This pack last. Here we go. So all the single diamond cards, I'm just going to show them. We'll start off with a hit here for the Bruins of Lane McDermott. It's a triple diamond rookie gems card. Decoy. We have a Ruby parallel card for the Bruins of Tuukka Rask. It's a double diamond. Short print 87 out of 100. Decoy. Double diamond card for the Red Wings of Henrik Zetterberg. Decoy. Have a nice hit, a dual jersey card for the Capitals of Alex Ovechkin. Nice hit for the Capitals. Double diamond card for the Devils of Adam Henrique. Decoy. A Ruby parallel base card for the Kings of Dustin Brown. Short print 64 out of 100. Decoy. A triple diamond card for the Islanders of John Tavares. Decoy. Have a nice hit for the Penguins. Dual jersey card of Mario Lemieux. Goes to Pittsburgh. Double diamond card for the Flyers of Brayden Schenn. Decoy. Triple diamond card for the Stars of Mike Modano. Decoy. We have a beautiful hit. Illustrious Rookies for the Rangers of Chris Kreider. Nice hit, Chris Kreider. Illustrious Rookies. Nice hit. Decoy. We have a triple diamond rookie gems card for the Oilers of Philip Cornett. A decoy. Double diamond card for the Blackhawks of Patrick Kane. Decoy. We have a quad diamond card for the that goes to Dallas Stars of Ed Belfour. Dallas Stars. Quad diamond hit. Decoy. Decoy. And the last row of packs. We have a nice hit for the Oilers here. It's a rookie gems card from Mark Messier. Triple diamond. Mark Messier. Decoy. Double diamond card for the Sharks of Patrick Marleau. Another decoy. Decoy. Double diamond card for the Rangers of Marian Gaborik. Decoy. Decoy. Triple diamond card. This goes to Carolina. Brendan Shanahan. The Hartford Whalers. That goes to Carolina. Decoy. There you go. There's our quad diamond rookie gems card for the Leafs of Carter Ashton. Decoy. And the last pack before the bonus pack. We have a gemography card for the Leafs of UC Rhinus. Nice hit for the Leafs. Decoy. And then the bonus pack to finish it off. And we have a nice Premier's card for the Stars of Scott Glennie. 782 out of 999 to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.